To our floor show traders. All right, gentlemen, mark the Dow here. We're still in the red, but the great Scott Redler and Scott Bauer. Scott Bauer, I will begin with you. If you look at intradays of some of the airline names, we hardly have a definitive answer. I mean, Delta, United Airlines, Southwest, they were all higher earlier. They're trying to probably make a little bit of a comeback, but you can see from these that that's exactly what's happening. So what say you?
Right. You're exactly right, Liz. You look intraday and those types of stocks react immediately, just immediately to whatever the headline news is. So we got news earlier today saying that there might be a New York shutdown. And what happened? Those stocks, immediately got hit, as some of the other, cruise liners did. So you have to really take a little bit longer look at those. You can't watch a minute by minute chart. And you really just have to look, okay, what's the outlook a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months down the road? If for me, if I'm going to invest in one of those stocks, trading it is a completely different animal. But if you're looking at it for a longer term investment, absolutely do not look at those minute by minute charts, because you'll drive yourself absolutely crazy.
And therefore,
Seriously.
which is exactly what we're doing right now. We don't need
Yes.
to make people crazy, but we